All right, listen up. Today we're tackling a true culinary icon, a dish with centuries of history once served to emperors. I'm showing you how to master one of China's most famous exports, Peking duck. It's celebrated for that legendary glass-like crispy skin, the succulent meat, and of course, those delicate pancakes. It might seem complex, but I'll break it down so you can achieve perfection at home. Let's do this step by step. First things first, you'll need a whole duck, about 5 pounds. Rinse it and pat it super dry, inside and out. Seriously, bone dry is the goal, as moisture is the enemy of crispiness. Now grab a sharp skewer and prick the skin all over. Don't go too deep. You just want to help the fat render out, which is the secret to that shatteringly crisp result. Next, pour a kettle of boiling water slowly over the duck to tighten the skin. You'll see it change color right away. That's the magic starting. For the glaze, mix up 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. This adds color and a beautiful sweet savory flavor. Brush this glaze all over the duck. Now set it on a rack in your fridge uncovered for at least 6 hours, but ideally overnight. This dehydration step is what makes the skin feel like paper and guarantees it gets incredibly crisp in the oven. When you're ready to roast, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Place the duck breast side up on a rack in a roasting pan. This keeps the fat dripping away. Roast for 15 minutes to kickstart the crisping. Then drop the heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and roast for another hour. Flip it halfway for even browning. If it looks a little pale, crank up the heat at the end for a few minutes. Keep an eye on it. Don't let it burn. While that's happening, let's talk pancakes. If you're feeling up for it, mix 2 cups of flour with boiling water. Knead, roll thin, and cook in a dry pan until soft. Or just buy some at the store. No judgment here. Once the duck is deep golden and the skin is crackling, let it rest for 10 minutes. This is crucial for juicy meat. Then carve thin slices, making sure to get that precious skin in every piece. Serve with thin pancakes, sliced cucumber, scallions, and a generous swipe of hoisin sauce. The classic way to eat it is to layer everything in a pancake, roll it up, and enjoy that perfect bite. Layer, roll, bite. Perfection. If you loved this step-by-step Peking duck recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It helps more people find delicious recipes just like this. Thanks for hanging out with me, and happy cooking.